There, it's on now.
That's
Okay, so we are off on another awesome adventure. And well, let's see, we've got T and JS up ahead of us. And obviously myself with Uncle G. Uncle G's told me that he was dreaming of big lake trout. So we're feeling lucky here.
hopefully everything pans out.
Yep. All right, so here we go, and we're off to a lake that Uncle G hasn't been to in 15 years, he says. So this will be a great experience. My first trip to this lake. Well, we've been on the road for a little over an hour, and we're much closer now.
Yep.
Well, we're here, and we're getting ready, getting loaded up, and it's minus 13 Celsius, and it's a bit windy, and it feels like it's 30 below. My God, like my fingers are numb. The wind's just like cutting right through us, so it's cold. Turn around. Rock and roll. Woo! What a beautiful ride this has been, on a beautiful day. Not much wind in the trails. I think I'm going to come back to this lake. This is perfect. I'm excited to see what this is all about. What this lake looks like, and how well we do. Uh-oh, we had a rollover. He rolled her over right here. Oh, he's all good. Oh, this trail's getting a little crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright, stay tuned. You'd want to be careful here. Look at this. Beautiful, but dangerous. Look at that. Beautiful.
I dumped her back there. I dumped her. Oh yeah. Straight over.
I just caught the tail end of it on video. You're famous, T.
The master T.
Well, probably somebody was here this morning. Oh, maybe not. Uncle G just giving her. Uncle G's mechanized warfare now. beautiful out right now. You can see the wind, but down here it's perfectly calm. The sun is, we're facing south, so the sun's right to us. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at Uncle G's tip up. Look at the work that went into this. He made this. It's better than store-bought. It's like perfect. Nice. Well, we're getting the fire pot going here. And look at JS taking care of us. Look what he did last night. Woo-wee! Beautiful! Good job, man! Well, being out here fishing gives a person time to think. And I noticed Uncle G's chair, his favorite chair when we were camping. And it reminded me of a story. If you look at the first video, wall tent platform number 1, JS, Uncle G and I took us 5 hours to get into that lake. And my God, everything was soaking wet. Every branch, every twig. We were even having trouble getting birch bark going. And yeah, it took us so long to get a fire going. JS and I threatened George that we were going to burn his favorite chair just to get the fire going. Which is part of why I think now JS brings like a little kindling ball and propane torch and dry newspaper. We're never going to go through that again. Well, we're going to move to a different spot. Well, you can't say we're not mobile. Well, let's hope we catch something here, because we are in the wind now. Beautiful day though, holy. Yep, JS said we were getting soft, so he made us move. And now we've got a foot of slush and we're in the wind. So all we need now is not to catch fish, and that'll harden us right up.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah. With my little gold spoon.
Beautiful.
Let's see if I can get the
Okay, I'll get the pliers.
Yeah, because it was jigging. I was wondering what's going on.
Got some venison sausages on the go. Well, we're all packed up. Time to go. One nice laker and 2 big hits. One broke the line right off the bat. The other one just got away. Heading out. Check that out. Well, that's pretty steep and high. Woo. Well, that's the end of our day. Uncle G's the only one that caught anything, as per usual. Missed a couple big ones, yeah. One broke the line. And it's about 7:30. It's gonna take us an hour and a half or so, maybe an hour and 15 minutes to get home. And that's that. Till next time.